What's happening, beautiful people? It's good to see your familiar faces again. And if you're new here, a special welcome to you. My name is Jim, and in this channel, we review smart home products as well as discuss family tech that can help make your lives a little easier. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and click on that notification bell as well. I also have the show notes in the description box below, and as well as a timestamp if you are inclined to go to a specific section. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the setup. Now, I just want to make sure that we are on the same page here. I actually haven't set up this Google Home yet, so this is an actual setup that I will be doing together with you if you're going to set up your Google Home Hub as well. All right, so the first thing I did was, of course, plug the Google Nest Hub. I keep saying Google Home Hub, but it's actually Google Nest Hub now. So pardon me. So that's what the first thing I did. I plugged it in, and then it just says right now, get the app. So that's the first thing that you need to do. If you don't have if you haven't downloaded it previously, I do have it downloaded already. So I'm gonna go there. All right. So once you have opened the app, if you've turned the Google Nest Hub on, I think the Google Home Hub will automatically locate it. So it did mine anyway. So it says set up one device. So let's go ahead and tap on that. Yes, Casa de Suson. Go ahead. So now it's going to look for devices. It's going to look for the Google Home or Google Nest Hub. There we go. So just to make sure, so Google Home Hub, you see at the bottom of the screen, it says Google Home Hub 5896. It says Google Home Hub 5896. Yeah, so that's the one that needs to be set up. All right, let's go ahead. Now it's going to say connecting to, there you go. So set up, follow the instructions on the Google Home app. There's no instructions here yet, but I believe some sort of code that I need to put in. Yes. Oh, I don't even have to. So see the code on your display. Yes, H3J5, H3J5. Yep, they're all right. So help improve, automatically share stats and crash reports. You know what? I'd say I'm in. Maybe compatible. Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna go proceed. So this is the kitchen, because I will be putting this in the kitchen for my wife to use. So I'm gonna put it in the kitchen here. I'm gonna go next, and yep, it's gonna go there. Spartan, and then it's gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. Nest Hub is now connecting to Spartan. Look at that. They have like similar. Okay. So I think because now Google Nest Hub is updating, it's gonna go there. So I've already done all of this previously, so I'm just gonna go choose next. But let's say if you haven't, you can actually go and click on this, look into this more if you want to, but we don't have to do it now. So there we go. If this is the first time that you will be setting a Google Home Hub or Google Nest Hub or even Mini or anything like that, here you go. It will ask you to activate your voice match on this device, but because I already have voice match on all of my Google Home devices or Google Assistant devices, I don't really need to. So I'm just gonna go no thanks, because it already says your assistant can already recognize you by your voice. So I'm just gonna go yes, activate match on this device. Yes, I'm gonna do that. Agree. Okay, your assistant can already recognize your voice. It looks like you already set up voice match, yada yada yada. These previous recordings can be used to so on and so forth. This should take less than a minute. So updating is doing fine over on that side there with Google Nest Hub, and sooner or later this will actually be complete, I hope. Right, so get personal results. Voice match has been set up. Okay, I agree. That is my address. Yes, I'm gonna confirm that address. Link music service. I do have No, I don't. I don't think I have any of these. Oh yeah, I have that. I'm just gonna go next. I want to play music. What? Seriously? Did I cancel that? Yeah, right there. So, oh, I do have a Sirius XM subscription, but I do not know my link right now, so I'm just gonna skip it for the moment. I mean, for the meantime, but later on, once I find out all of those information, I will link them up. She'll get started with calls. You can actually do calls. My wife has been doing that a lot. Use your phone number with Duo. These are the phone numbers that I have. Yes, I'm gonna do that. That is my phone number. Google will send a code via SMS to verify this. Sure. Operator rates. Let's go next. Ooh, okay. Personalize your photo frame. Okay, like I said, this is a glorified smart photo frame. So let's see, a slideshow selected. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do that. Google for my. So it's gonna load the albums. Ooh, I will do pretty much everything. I think. What can I do? I'm just gonna choose whatever here. Oh, I'm gonna do this. Our trip in Jalisco. No thanks. Stay in the know, stay up to Google's hardware products. No, I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna go no. Link music services. Yes, I think I do have all of those with Google Music. Yeah, so let's go next. Yes. Music or YouTube, Google. Yep. So that's done. Ambient EQ light sensor. The brightness. Okay, that's what it does. Like I said, this automatically adjusts the screen brightness automatically. That's the keyword, automatically. Okay. And then of course you have the mic mute switch at the back, as well as the volume control at the back as well. Kitchen display is ready. Now let's explore what it can do. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the things that you can do with the Google Nest Hub. Let's go ahead. So I'm just gonna tap on Finish Setup.
Welcome to your Google Nest Hub. It has the Google Assistant built in.
Hi, how can I help?
So you can use your voice to get help at a glance. Check it out. Jumpstart your day with a personalized routine. Just say, "Hey Google, good morning." For the weather, your calendar, and more. Simply tap to see your home screen, where you can get useful info about your day, check out videos, and explore. Have a question? Just ask for help from Google or YouTube. Hey Google, show me how to cut a pineapple.
Okay, playing on YouTube.
Oh, interesting.
Now you can see and control all of your devices from a single dashboard. Just swipe down from the top of the screen for Home View, where you can see the status of your home, view devices in each room, and adjust the lights, pause the TV, and control your music. Unwind in the evening with your favorite songs and videos from YouTube Music. Hey Google, play some jazz. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to adjust volume or brightness, or use the volume buttons behind the right side of the display. To turn off the mics, simply slide the mic mute switch. And with Google Photos, Hub can display your best and latest pictures automatically. Setup is simple in the Google Home app. What's this? It's Hub's light sensor. It allows Hub to automatically match the colors and lighting in any room, so photos on Hub blend in with your home. And when it's time for bed, Hub knows to dim for a good night's sleep. Remember, if you ever want to learn more, just say, "Hey Google, what can you do?" Ready to give Hub a try? Swipe from the left edge of the screen to exit and get started.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, so now let's see what Google Nest Hub can do. So there's Top Stories, Google Play Music, there's YouTube for this afternoon. Okay, what's on my calendar? So let's go ahead and do that. Ambient EQ on. Sahara Desert. I think that's what Sahara Desert is. Is there anything at the bottom? Oh yeah, so you have auto brightness, volume. I think that's alarm. So let's go in settings and check out what we can do here. Send feedback, regulatory labels, open source. Okay, so I'm just gonna close that. What else? This is alarm, I think. Yep, so that's the alarm. Let's exit. Anything from the top? Oh yeah. So 4 lights are on and the front door is locked. View rooms, kitchen lights. Okay, so what else can we do here? So you can do lights, routines, media. I think that's where YouTube is. Oh, okay. Speakers, master's bedrooms. Okay, so that's what we can. All right, you can choose from any of those and start playing music there, I guess. What else? Broadcast. Yeah.
What's the message?
Yeah, never mind. Okay. Let's see. All right, so it is fairly intuitive. I haven't removed the plastic, but the screen is fairly intuitive. It actually responds quite well to the things that you want it to do. Yeah, I've got LG dryer and washer. They're not bad actually. They're pretty good. All right. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're able to follow along, and I hope this video is useful for you. If it is, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, share this video, love it, so on and so forth. And as always, I will see you in my next one.